Hi! Welcome to my kitchen. Thank you for tuning in to try out this recipe. If you like watching me, do give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Hi friends! Today I'm going to show you how to prepare Egg Benedict. Egg Benedict is a traditional American breakfast or a brunch dish that consists of a buttered toasted English muffin topped with perfectly poached egg and a warm creamy Hollandaise sauce. Look how gorgeous these beauties looks, isn't it? And this can be prepared in no time. And I'm going to show you how to prepare this fancy meal, Egg Benedict. First, we start with poaching the eggs, and I will share with you 3 simple rules on how to make the best possible perfect poached eggs. Super silky, cleaned poached eggs all the time you make. Be careful that we are not boiling the eggs, we are poaching the eggs. So you need to be precise on your timing and the techniques to be used here. Rule number 1. The eggs should be fridge cold. This will keep the eggs in a better shape. Rule number 2. Crack the egg into a tea strainer. This step is to remove the watery content from the egg. If you do not remove this watery bit, then your poached eggs will have some strings floating around. I personally like my poached eggs to be perfect in shape, so I follow this rule number 2. But if you are in a hurry to finish your poaching eggs, you can just skip off this rule number 2. Rule number 3. Once the liquid drips off, very gently move the egg to a ramekin. Now directly add on the sides of the egg a tablespoon of lemon. This will actually seal the sides of the egg and hold it together. I generally avoid putting vinegar in the boiling water as I don't like the vinegary taste on the egg. So instead of that, I just directly add a tablespoon of lemon to the egg. The water is about to boil and I will add some salt to it and give a gentle stir. I cannot have my eggs without salt. It's an absolutely no. Don't let the water boil completely. Reduce the flame to minimum. Now, slip in the eggs very gently. Make sure that your ramekin is on the surface as much as close to the water to slip in the eggs. Let the water be stable and allow the eggs to poach for approximate 3 minutes. While my first egg poaches, I will prepare for the second egg. Now add the second egg very gently to the side without disturbing the first egg. Drip off any excess water. Be gentle to your egg. You may opt to pat dry the moisture on the egg with a kitchen towel to avoid your toast getting soggy. So, your beautiful, silky and nutritious poached eggs are ready. Just follow the 3 simple techniques or the rules, and you will have a perfect poached egg. Now let's make Hollandaise sauce. Note the ingredients for the sauce. Slightly in a different flavor than the American style. In this recipe, I will be incorporating flavors of turmeric, onion and garlic. The Hollandaise sauce is just made with egg yolk. So the first step is to separate the egg yolks. The whites can be used to make omelette or a cake or a meringue. The egg yolks goes into a heat-proof bowl or a ceramic bowl. The next step is to have a saucepan with water. Place the bowl on top of the saucepan. Make sure that the water does not touch the bowl to avoid scrambling of egg. That's a tip. Basically, we are doing the double boiler process here. Add a pinch of turmeric powder, half a lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon of water. Whisk it for a couple of minutes. The water should be simmering only for the eggs to cook gently. Now the eggs are ready to hold and emulsify the fat. Add slowly the melted butter. Add in little by little and at the same time keep whisking continuously to avoid splitting of fat. If you feel that your sauce is thickening before even the butter is fully incorporated, then you can add a tablespoon of water and keep whisking. To make it flavoursome, add 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, salt and 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder. This is the consistency I am looking for. Check for the taste. Yum! Now, the creamy, flavoured Hollandaise sauce is ready to be served. Now let's plate it. First, put the Hollandaise sauce at the base. And then on top of it, poached egg. To garnish, sprinkle some paprika powder, and dill leaves. When you slit the yolk, see the yolk oozing out. This is the perfect poached egg. Yummy Egg Benedict is ready to serve. Now we will do another plating. I have toasted this English muffin with butter, some lettuce leaf on top of it, then the poached egg. Spoon in the warm sauce. Sprinkle some paprika powder, some pepper powder, and few dill leaves on top of it. I will accompany to it grilled asparagus. This sauce is so delicate, silky in texture and mild in flavor and best accompanied with grilled fish, chicken, potatoes and asparagus. Now the yummy Egg Benedict is ready to serve. Thank you for watching my video. For more exciting recipes, stay tuned to my channel. Do like me and subscribe my channel as given below.